Hey everyone! With its remarkable features and persistence of Google's long-term software support, the Pixel 8a is creating waves. It delivers Google's newest chipset and a slew of AI improvements to the mid-range market, priced at $499 in the US. The 6.1-inch screen is one of the most notable improvements. It now has a 120 Hz refresh rate and a display that can be up to 40% brighter, with a peak brightness of 2000 nits. These enhancements are essential, particularly in light of competitors like the OnePlus 12R, which provides an excellent display as well. In the realm of AI, the Pixel 8a inherits features from its higher-end siblings, like generative AI photo and video tools, such as Best Take, Magic Editor, and Audio Magic Eraser. Circle-to-search functionality is also included, along with support for Google's on-device AI model, Gemini Nano, available as a developer option. While some specs remain unchanged, such as 8 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of storage, with a new 256 gigs option, there are subtle enhancements, like a slightly larger 4,492 mAh battery and wireless charging support up to 7.5 watt via QI 1.3. The camera setup, including a stabilized 64 megapixel main sensor, maintains continuity with the previous generation, ensuring reliable performance. The Pixel 8a finds itself in an interesting position this year, with potential competition coming not just from other brands, but also from within Google's own lineup, with Samsung's mid-range Galaxy A55 5G seemingly skipping the US market. The Pixel 8a has a clear path to capture attention. Additionally, while the OnePlus 12R is an option, its lack of availability through major carriers in the US limits its reach, leaving the Pixel 8a in a more prominent position. Google may face difficulties with positioning and pricing inside its own product line. The basic Pixel 8, which is frequently offered at a discount, is directly comparable to the 8a, particularly when considering that their prices are $499. Google's strategy is interestingly dynamic because of this competition within its own ecosystem. The fact that the Pixel 7a is still available, and the possibility of 4 additional Pixel models being released later in the year. In general, the Pixel 8a is a strong option in the mid-range smartphone market because it blends significant improvements with Google's well-known software support. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it helpful. Have a nice day and God bless you.